Hi kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read for Class 1 Science Olympiad. And in Class 1 Science Olympiad, what portion we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss the previous year questions of SOF NSO Level 1 exam. Okay, so are you all ready for it? Yes, so let's get started. Our first question, which of the following statements describe that living things grow? Options are A, an apple seed becomes an apple tree. B, a touch-me-not plant loses its leaves when it is touched. C, a sparrow flies in the sky. D, a rabbit gives birth to its young ones. So, we have to find out which of the following statements describe that living things grow. Okay, how can you tell that living things grow? From small thing it will grow to a bigger one, right? So here the correct answer is option A. An apple seed becomes an apple tree. Initially it was a seed, then it will grow, and finally it will become an apple tree. Okay, coming to the next question. Dash is a food item that we get from the stem of its plant. Options are A, sugar, B, wheat, C, honey, D, black pepper. So, dash is a food item that we get from the stem of its plant. So, sugar that we obtain from the stem of sugar cane plant. Okay, so here the correct answer is option A. Got it? Coming to the next question. All the given animals can live both on lands and in water except gas. So A, B, C, D are there. Okay, four options are there. We have to find out all the given animals can live both on land and in water except what? That is except, yes. Do you know the answer? If you know the answer, you can write in the comment section. Okay. So it is the option D, that is camel. Camel lives on the land only, that is on the sand. Yes, but it does not live in the water. So correct answer is option D. Coming to the next question. Which of the following level parts of the plant helps in taking food and water to all parts of the plant? So a plant is there, different parts are there, right? Options are A, Q, B, P, C, S, D, R. So we have to find out which of the following level part of the plant helps in taking food and water to all parts of the plant. First of all, you tell me which part of the plant helps in taking food and water to all part of the plant. Yes, it is the stem, right? Yes. Now we will identify the parts given. So here are, it is the fruit, okay? Then P, leaves. Q, it is the stem. S, it is the root. So we know stem help in carrying this food and water, right? So stem, that is Q. So correct answer is option A, that is Q. Okay. Okay, coming to the next question. Which of the following is a sense organ? Four options are there. In the first option, it is representing the skin. The second option, it is a kidney. The third option, that is the brain. And the last option, that is large intestine. Okay, so we have to find out which of the following is a sense organ. So it is option A, that is skin. Got it? Coming to the next question. Which of these leaves is not plucked from a tree? Options are A, maple, B, peepal, C, rose, D, neem. So we have to find out which of these leaves is not plucked from a tree. So rose, it is the from leaf, it is not plucked from a tree. It is obtained from rose plant, which is a shrub. It is not a tree. Okay. Rest, maple, people, neem, these are trees. So correct answer is option C. Coming to the next question. Select the odd one out on the basis of type of animal. Okay. So here in the first option, honeybee is there, so B, mosquito, C, cockroach, D, cock. So we have to find out the odd one out on the basis of type of animal. So on the basis of type of animal, these are type of insects. Okay, but this is type of a bird. So odd one out is option D, that is the cock. Got it? Coming to the next question, select the correct match of the community helper and the things with which he or she works. So options are for community helper and things: A, electrician, pencil, scale and paper; B, carpenter, wire, switches and bulbs; C, painter, wood and saw; D, mason, bricks, cement and water. So electrician, do electrician use pencil, scale and paper? No. Carpenter use wire, switches and bulbs? No. Painters use wood and saw? No. Mason, yes, mason uses bricks, cement and water. Okay, so correct answer is option D. Got it? And electrician, they use wires, switches and bulbs. Carpenter, they use wooden saw. Painter use pencil, scale, paper and different colors. Got it? Yes. Coming to the next question, the given word grid contains the sound of some animals. Which animal sound you cannot find in the grid? Options are A, horse, B, snake, C, lion, D, pig. So the given word grid contains the sound of some animals. We have to find out which animal sound we cannot find in the grid. Okay. So here we will find the things. First, it is me. It is the sound for horse. Okay, and what is the sound of snake? It is hiss. So hiss is there. Okay, lion, roar, and roar is not present here. Pig, they, oink. So it is also there. So which we do not find, that is option C, lion. Okay. So coming to next question, select the animal whose young one is called an infant. Options are A, elephant, B, that is the monkey, C, buffalo, D, lion. So we have to select the animal whose young one is called an infant. So for elephant, the young one is known as calf. Okay, and for monkey, it is known as infant. For cow and buffaloes, it is calf, and for lion, it is cub. So correct answer is option B, that is the monkey. Coming to the next question, which of these is a safe action? Options are A, playing with a matchstick, B, crossing the road using a zebra crossing, C, playing with a scissor, then D, playing with a knife. So we have to find out which of these is a safe action. Playing with a matchstick, is it safe? No, it is not safe. We should not do that. Crossing the road using a zebra crossing, yes, this one is correct. We should cross the road using the zebra crossing. Playing with a scissor, no, we should not play with a scissor. Playing with a knife, also we should not play with a knife. Okay, these are not safe. So which one is the same? That is the option B. Got it? Coming to the next question. Akash exercises a lot for growing muscles. He should take more of dash. Option A, some food are there, milk, egg, okay. Then B, fruits and vegetables are there. C, some junk foods are there, chips and burger. D, ice cream and cold drinks is there. So Akash exercises a lot for growing muscles. He should take more of dash. So if Akash wants some growing muscle, then he should take more of protein. Okay. So in the option A, here milk, egg, the substances they contain protein. Then fruits and vegetables, they contains vitamins and minerals. Okay, chips, burger, the junk foods, they contain fat. Then ice cream, cold drinks, they contain a lot of sugar, that is the carbohydrates. So here the correct answer is option A. Okay, coming to the next question, read the given passage. When the light turns dash, it means stop. The yellow light says dash. When the light turns dash, we can dash. Select the correct option to complete the given passage. Then options are A, red go, green wait. B, green wait, red go. C, green go, red wait. D, red wait, green go. So here, when the light turns red, it means stop. The yellow light says wait. When the light turns green, we can go. So where it is present? Yes, it is present in option D. Red, wait, green, go. Coming to the next question. Which of the following is a good habit? Options are A, combing your hair daily. B, licking your fingers after eating. C, biting your nails. D, throwing garbage on road. So we have to find out which of the following is a good habit. Combing your hair daily? Yes, we should comb our hair daily. Licking your fingers after eating? No. Biting your nails? No. Throwing garbage on road? No. We should not lick our fingers after eating. We should not bite our nails, and we should not throw garbage on road. Okay, we should throw it in the dustbin. Right? So, correct answer is option A, combing your hair daily. Coming to the next question, we get a material to make cloth from the plant shown in the given picture. Select the incorrect option regarding this material. Options are A, we wear cloths made from this material in summer. B, the cloths made from this material is light and thin. C, the cloths made from this material keep us warm and cozy. D, this material is obtained from the fruit of the given plant. Okay, so we get the material to make cloth from the plant shown in the given picture. We have to select the incorrect option regarding this material. Okay, so here, see, this is the cotton plant. Have you ever seen the cotton plant? Yes or no? I guess no, right? Okay, so we have to find the incorrect option regarding this cotton. So we wear cotton, we wear the cotton cloths made from, cotton cloths in summer, correct? The cloth made from this material is light and thin, this one is also correct. The cloths made from this one keep us, this material keep us warm and cozy, no. This material is obtained from the fruit of the given plant. Yes, cotton that is obtained from the fruit of the cotton plant. Okay, so this one is also correct. So which is the incorrect one? That is the option C. Got it, everyone? So this much for today's session. Let's meet you in the next session. Till then, read mindfully, practice all the questions properly. Okay, so meet you soon. Bye bye, everyone.